begin. She called me some words that could make the devil blush. I was shocked, I didn't even know she was able to cuss. She said she was packing and stay out of her way. I got my truck keys and said that I wasn't gonna stay. That was a big mistake. Almost all of our stuff is gone, except for the broken things nailed to the countertop. I found her diamond wedding ring in the backyard. I can barely see a part of my old guitar. I was surprised that little lady could throw that far. I'm not sure, but I think I'm missing a TV or two. I'm damn sure I had more than just one shoe. I can honestly say that my life in-house is now a mess, all from that storm of a pretty tornado in a dress. I guess I might have had it coming all along. I'm pretty sure I read that situation all wrong. It's hard to keep my house cool on the summer days. Windows are broken and she even took the front door away. But I'll just have to try and recover from the damage she done. Just glad I still have my dog and I never bought her a gun. That wasn't a mistake. Almost all of our stuff is gone, except for the broken things nailed to the countertop. I found her diamond wedding ring in the backyard. I can barely see a part of my old guitar. I was surprised that little lady could throw that far. I'm not sure, but I think I'm missing a TV or two. I'm damn sure I had more than just one shoe. I can honestly say that my life in-house is now a mess, all from that storm of a pretty tornado in a dress. I saw her again and said, "Come home." I really do care. Her answer was simple, just one finger